Welcome back to another video, guys, where I'll be showing you how to make macaroni and cheese, creamy macaroni and cheese with cheesy Monterey Jack cheese and also the Armstrong marble cheese. Guys, I'm trying to get you to see my shirt here. I have my water on the stove, guys, and I'm gonna let it come to a boil before I put the macaroni in for the macaroni and cheese. And I'm gonna be using the elbow macaroni, okay, the Ital pasta elbow macaroni. This is a cup, so a cup and a half. That's a half cup inside and a cup, and I'm gonna be putting it onto the boiling water as soon as the water starts boiling up. Water comes to a boil, guys, so I'm gonna put a dash of salt, and here's the elbow macaroni goes in. And this macaroni, guys, I'm gonna make it al dente, meaning it should be firm to the touch. Okay, the macaroni should be firm to the touch. I don't want it too soft. As soon as it starts cooking, I'm gonna take it off. So I'll just cover this and let cook. So guys, for my roux, the roux I'm making is for the mac and cheese. Okay, that's a sauce. You make a roux is the mixture of butter and flour with your liquid. A liquid will be milk, the almond milk. So I have here a quarter cup of butter, unsalted butter, and then my macaroni is cooked, and I'm letting it here, sitting here, the macaroni al dente, firm to the touch. And yeah, so then I'm gonna be adding the flour. So that's how you make a roux, right? Flour to butter. And then I'm going to be adding my milk. So the flour is half cup of flour. I'm going to be using 500 ml of milk, or until the roux coats the back of the spoon. I'm just going to be adding the desired amount of milk until I get a sauce, right? It's coating the back of the spoon, the sauce. So I'm gonna be adding the milk slowly, guys. I had the flour here incorporated into the butter, and I'm just gonna be adding the milk slowly. So here I have a cup of milk, the almond milk, working with, and I'm gonna be working with the cheese. I'm working with is the shredded Monterey Jack, as well as, guys, if you're using the block of cheese, you would have to grate your cheese, okay? But I bought the cheese that are already grated, and I'm gonna be using this one to the Armstrong. You guys, my flame is too high, so let me turn it down a bit. Put in the rest of milk because that's too thick. So 500 milliliter of milk. So far I have a cup, this cup here of milk. Now, guys, altogether I'm using 2 cups of milk, okay? So this is the second cup, and I should be good to go. So this is a roux, R-O-U-X. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the flame down. I don't want this to start to splutter, and I'm gonna switch my spoon here, because the roux should be coating the back of the wooden spoon, okay? So wooden spoon is what you need to be using. so you can check to see if it's coating the back of the spoon. And then, as I said, 2 cups of milk, so I'm putting the rest of the milk here. And you don't want your flame up too high, guys, because you don't want this thing to burn. So guys, I'm just going to be adding the Monterey Jack cheese, and this is 1/2 cup of the Monterey Jack cheese to this roux. And I'm going to be adding just a dash. That's yeah, like 3 dashes of the black pepper and a dash of salt, a dash or 2, and season to taste, guys. So there's my macaroni, guys. I drained the water, and I'm just gonna be pouring this roux onto the roux with a little bit of the cheese mixture, and I did season with the salt and black pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in here and mix it up, and then put in a dish, grease a pie dish, Pyrex dish, and put to bake at 400, between 400 and 425. So I'm just gonna mix this up, guys. Let's see if I can get a different angle here. So at this point, guys, the stove is turned off, okay, and I poured the sauce onto the macaroni here, and I'm gonna be putting it into a pie dish, and it goes into the oven, okay. So guys, I'm just adding a 1/2 cup more of the Monterey Jack cheese. Mix it in, and then this is going into a Pyrex dish. So guys, this is half cup of the Armstrong cheese that I'm going to be putting all over, sprinkle all over. So I use 2 cheese, but you use the cheese of your choice, right guys? And then I'm just gonna be working with the Monterey Jack. I'm not gonna bother to measure. I'm just gonna fold my hands and arrange it all over here. So turn it down. I turned it out into a pie dish, and I greased it. Okay, I grease my pie dish. You don't just put it in like that, guys. Grease it with butter so that it doesn't stick. So this is about yeah, this is about maybe 2 cups of cheese that I put here. So anywhere between, if you don't want it too cheesy, you could put 1/2 cup of cheese. Some people make their macaroni and cheese with breadcrumbs, guys, but I won't put any breadcrumbs on mine. I like it without breadcrumbs. The macaroni and cheese has been removed from the oven, and it is sizzling hot. It is very hot, so I'm leaving it to cool, guys. And I removed it. I gave it, I put it in the oven 400 to 425 degree, 15 to 20 minutes. And as soon as I see the sides here starting to get brown, then I remove it. You could leave it until the top is getting brown, but this is good for me. So I'm just leaving it to cool before I test it, guys. Now, guys, it's time to cut into this macaroni and cheese. This macaroni and cheese, it is still hot, guys, but when this thing is cool, it sets like pizza. Okay, it's gonna set and looking like pizza. It's gonna be so hard, especially after I put it in the refrigerator. So I'm cutting it too soon, but let me see if I can get a piece up here to test. It is looking good, guys. It's cheesy and delicious. trying, guys. I'm trying. Look at that, guys. Look how delicious that looks. And as I told you guys, it's not cool as yet, which is why it's falling apart. As I'm telling you, to get rid of the lint on my clothes, I'm telling you guys, I have to get a lint remover. So anyways, the macaroni and cheese here. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. But when this thing goes into the fridge, guys, it's hard. And you get a better cut. Hello. 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 Guys, this is winner. Cheesy macaroni and cheese. Oh my god. It's so delicious, I'm telling you. I could just eat this alone. I don't even need the chicken wing. I'm telling you, like, hello. Hello. So guys, an hour later, the macaroni is cool, much cooler. Look at that. See how easy that cuts? Let me zoom in here. That cuts so much easier. Look at that. See guys, I'm not struggling this time. I am not struggling to cut it, or it's not falling apart. Look at that. See, it's holding up on the fork. So it can cool some more, but as I said, if the hotter, the harder it is for you to cut it. So you have to wait for it to cool. Look at that. Look how good it looks. As I'm here making the honey garlic chicken wing video, and I'm trying to upload at the same time, okay? So don't miss that video, the honey garlic chicken wing video. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below in the comment section, okay guys? And I really appreciate you watching my video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.